Brino from Maryland Hall's Outreach and Jóvenes Artistas. We're back again for another Outreach challenge. This week we're doing paper art. Paper art is a really cool medium that artists use to create some dynamic works of art. Here you can see the variety of artworks that people create, layering cut paper or rolling cut paper into different images. I just loved looking online to see how many different ideas people came up with using this cut paper technique. Some people use X-Acto knives, some people layer, scissors, glue, all one color, a bunch of different colors. We're going to use this as inspiration for our own paper art today.
Green flowers and blue flowers.
What else do you like to do?
I like to swing on the swings, and I like to go on walks and on my bike.
That's great.
Now let's see the thing.
Hopefully you enjoyed this Outreach challenge and created some awesome artworks using just paper. I can't wait to see everyone's work. Please post here on Facebook, #OutreachChallenge, #paperart, or feel free to email me at lbrino@marylandhall.org. Make sure you share your artwork with those around you, because we know the more that we share, the more art has the power to heal, inspire, and empower.
Until next week, stay